Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Yeah. Now here. Yesterday we are telling about equijoin and also non-equijoin introduction. But some queries we are practicing. Suppose the last query in a previous classes we are writing like this. Now here, yes, here. Column ambiguously defined, I am telling only. In that case, D dot department number. Here also we are using a what? D dot department number. Then automatically, yes, department number, D name, sum of salary, it will display. Okay. And also location and also some other thing we are telling count star. No, these are the queries we are practicing. Now check it out last two concepts in that query. Suppose here, this is very easy. D name is there, sum of salary is there in those queries. Observe here. This is a simple query. I am telling about the equijoin and also group by class. Now tell me anybody, I don't want to display all the department names and all the sum of salary. Those department sum of salary is more than okay 9,000. More than 9,000 means only these two department names are displayed or not. Simple, having class, that easy. And now here, those all the things you are familiar or not, that is also write it only fastly. Write a query, fastly write it. Write a query to display those departments sum of sal having more than 9,000 from EMP, DEPT tables by using equijoin. By using equijoin. How can I? This is nobody mistaken. Why? Because just here already in a previous classes you have an idea. If you want to restrict the groups after group by compulsory, we are using a what? Having class. In a having class can be used a what? Group function possible or not? Yes, possible. Is greater than 9,000 like this. But here in place of now 1,000, some subquery also we are writing in a future chapter side only. That's why subquery chapter side we are learning. Okay, but here in this class side direct value only. This is already in a previous classes. You have an idea or not? Yes, here. Fastly write it this one. Very easy. Just all the classes we are using only 1 minute. Okay, yeah. Write it this one. This query and also fastly write it. Completed fast. This is nobody mistaken. Very easy, no? If you want to restrict the groups after group by, just we are using a what? Having class. This is very easy. Already have an idea. Just queries are practicing important. That's why everything better. Completed fast. Take a snap. Next one. And now here check it out. Suppose here a group by class okay, and also joins are available, but unfortunately suddenly they're asking a what in this report side. Okay, so grand total they're asking just in a report side after join after group by grand total they're asking. Grand total means dead easy. How can I? Very good. One fellow is telling correct. Yeah, there was some optional clauses I'm telling. One is what? Roll up or cube clauses are not. That is also we are using a joins. That's all. Nothing. Now here roll up is a better option. That's why roll up cube clauses are available in a where in a real-time project side, in a join side also. But group by clause is available, then only possible. Just roll up of sub columns we are using after group by or not, then automatically grand total. That is now here. This is also fastly rated. Some example, another example, because previous days clauses only we are applying, nothing is there. Another example, right? Grand total purpose. This is also you are familiar now. Oh, some example in equi-join through roll up. Maybe anybody attending a previous classes means they have an idea. These all things. This is a total, no? Yes, grand total. Completed. Finish this one. Just underline it, roll up, and a grand total. Okay. Yeah. Now next. Observe here. Yes, here. Fastly observe here. Now check it out. Up to this one, in every database, these all the concepts are available. These all the things common in every database, inner join. And okay, so now here is alias names. These are common concept. Group by, roll up. These all the things are having. These all the things common joins ones. But another databases is inner join, but Oracle side equal join. But unfortunately, Oracle side, one extra concept is there. What is that one means? Non-equi-join side. Actually, in all relational databases, non-equi-join means, yes, here they are not providing also any join where condition, joining condition, other than is equal to operator is there, either less than, either greater than, either less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, that is called non-equi-join. But Oracle Corporation giving what in a books we are referring means, in a net we are referring means, every other writing some extra concept. What is that one? In a Oracle side, non-equi-join also used in a where one special case. Oracle side, they are using in a non-equi-join in a where special case only. What is that special case means? I will tell you. That purpose only Scott schema tables we are copying only because that special case understandable purpose. What is that special case means? Observe here, concentrate here, slowly observe here. Anybody observing or not? In a first initial stage, select star from tab I am typing. In this select star from tab means in a Scott user side, 4 tables are there. One is EMP, another one is DAPT, another one is what? Sal grade, another one is what? Bonus. Why they are giving a what? These tables means some concepts easily explanation purpose to end users only. First newcomer entering into a project side means just some regularly used concept, easily understandable purpose. That's why here up to now EMP, DEPT tables through we are learning, but unfortunately one predefined table today, Sal grade through some other concept we are learning, non-equi-join, advanced concept, or that concept is available in a where your Oracle SQL side we are learning only. What is that one means? Concentrate here. Here, in this case, sal grade is another table is there. Okay, fine. Now here sal grade is another table is there. Predefined table, this one. In a books, we are referring also through this table only, that concept. Hello. Now it is audible. Hello. Hello, power is gone. That's all. And now here, hello. And now here, check it out. Here, concentrate here. Slowly observe it here. Suppose up to now, what I am telling, some common columns, some other stories we are telling only. And now here, yes. But unfortunately, what they are telling of Oracle Corporation, this is a EMP table is there. Slowly observe it here. EMP table. Select star from EMP table. Again, another table, select a star from DEPT table is there. Select star from DEPT table. In these two tables, common columns are available. Otherwise, in a future, data type is same also without common column also equi, non-equi join. We are using equi join means matching rows. Non-equi join means other than is equal to operator. We are learning in a future also something very easy. But up to now, common column based only I'm telling easiness purpose. Equijoin returns I want matching rows. No other than equality operator means non-equijoin we are telling. But unfortunately, some other tables observed here. Select a star from EMP is a table. Again, another table just Oracle provided. Select a star from sal grade is a table. Just observe it here. These two tables. These two table data we are retrieving means in a common column is there. First, you have to find out. No grade, low sal and high sal is available. Again, in this case, in a common column is not there. But unfortunately, I want to retrieve the data from these two tables. Means another chance is there. What is that one means? This is slight difference only. Salary is a column is there in EMP table. That is maybe related to where related values are there in a low sal and high sal only. That's why, yes, what is the meaning of this one means in a relational database side, one column values are lies between another table, two columns. Then also we are retrieving a what data from those tables by using a what non-equi join possible. They are telling only Oracle Corporation. This is a special case. Now check it out. Suppose here now 1600 we are taking only. This 1600 salary is available anywhere in between the what? Maybe now here, yes, here in between 1401 in 2000. Suppose any salary we are taking, okay, some values, not all the values. 800 is there. This 800 is available in between the what? Yes, here 700 and 1200 only. Suppose here 1300 is there. This 1300 is available in where in between the what? 1200 and also 1400. That's why always one table, one column values are lies between all other table, two columns. Then we are using a what? Non-equi join through we are retrieving the data. But in that case, one special condition they are giving only. What is that one means? I will tell you. That's why, yes, in a Oracle side, not a other database side, in a Oracle, we can also retrieve the data from multiple tables by using a non-equi join. When one table column values are available in a where another table two columns. In that case also we are allowed to retrieve the what? Data from multiple tables by using non-equi join. In that case only, yes, that join is also called as between and join. This is a special case. You are knowing or not knowing, not a biggest problem. But unfortunately, every other writing a what? This special case only because Oracle side. And now first write it some theory, write a note only. Is an extra concept. But in a books only, these type of things are there. Write a note. Is a predefined, totally predefined tables through only we are explaining. There is no choice. In Oracle, this is extra concept. In Oracle, whenever one table, one column value, one table, one column value lies between another table two, not only three, two, another table two columns, another table two columns. Then also we are retrieving data from those tables. We are retrieving data from those tables by using non-equijoin, not equijoin, non-equijoin, by using non-equijoin. In this case, this join is also called as between ... and join, because between and operator they are using between and join. This theory, write it. What they are telling is syntax they are not giving. Oracle Corporation, in this case, syntax they are not giving, but how you are retrieving means, observe here, this is a sal grade is a table. This is a what? EMP table. Okay, maybe these type of tables are available, then only this type of syntax only. This extra concept. Select which columns I want to display, ename, comma, salary, comma, low sal, comma, grade, comma, anything. And now here, these are predefined. Okay, low sal, comma, high sal, like this. From two tables, EMP, comma, sal, grade only. Okay, fine. Where sal, column name, between. Okay, so now between is an operator is there. Low value means low sal and high sal. Why they are not giving a Oracle Corporation? This is a syntax, this is a special case they are giving also. This is never popular means reason is there. Actually, this is they are giving a what, this column name between low value column and high value column. They are giving also same query. You are writing a what, your own way also possible. That is advantage. Your own way means just here you are a good experienced person means just we are writing a what, between values means a range of values greater than less than possible or not, greater than or equal to low sal, and yes salary is less than or equal to high sal only. Now this is a way also possible or not? Yes, possible. Anything now here, either this one or that one only. That's why they are not giving any syntactical predefined syntax, because range of values means anything also understandable. Write it example. This is a special case. Example, write it. Select star from EMP. There is no choice. This type of data is there in this table through only possible. Calculate like this. Then either this one, non-equivalent, special case, or range of values means less than or equal to and greater than or equal to also possible. Fastly write it. This is an extra concept, no, just better to know. But you are a good professional means other than is equal to operator. That's all. That is correct. But this is special case also better to know. These type of data is there, then only possible, otherwise not. Okay na? Completed. Actually, interviewer not only these, okay, this one nobody asking. Okay, generally, okay, equi-join, non-equi-join nowadays, how they are asking means their own tables they are creating. Through that one, they are asking only. Don't write it, just observe it only. In a future, I will tell you again those things only. Here, this is a what? So now here, yes, test one is a table is there. Okay, for example. This another table test tools. Their own tables they are creating first. Okay, fine. Just through that one, what is the output they are asking? Why? Because you are practicing, you are guessing the logic or not. Check it out for first test one is a table. Here, yes, number is a column, for example. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Now check it out. Don't write it. Pen and paper only. They're asking like this. Test one values like this. Here, one. Here, like this one. In a feature. This is a table is there. Select star from test one. The table. Yes, number is a column. Again, another table, create table. In a future, son of test 2, same column or different column also working in a future, same data type possible. That is also I will tell you, but first same column I'm using up to some stage. And here, now I try to insert the data. Test 2 values like this. 1, here, 1, here, 1. Now check it out. These are the two tables are there. Okay, 1 minute observe here. Don't write. Select a star from test one. Pen and paper. They are writing their own values. 1, 1 or 1, 2, 3. Anything else. Here, select a star from test two like this. Now they are writing a equi-join. Select star or columns. Your own wish. Okay. Yes number also. Okay. Otherwise, star means yes number 2 times also it will display. There is no ambiguity. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Now here. Okay. So otherwise star and from here test 1 comma test 2 where test 1 dot s number is equal to test 2 dot s number. Here everyone knows whenever they are asking these questions means you are only comparing a what? How can I? First value compared with all other values in a where? Another table. Second value compared with all other values in a where? Another table. Simple. No? Now that's why here, now here observe here. Here 1, 1. Okay. Again 1, 1. Again 1, 1. Again second time is what? Here 2, 1, 1. Again 1, 1. Again 1, 1. That's why here how many rows? 2 into now 3, only 6 rows it will be displayed or not. That's why how many rows are displayed means anybody asking these type of questions means don't mistake. In this case, in a feature, 9 joins are left out or right out or pull out or all the things also in this example set same output. That's why maybe they're asking. But unfortunately, some interviewer asking, I don't want like this output. I want to display this unique values, unique time only. Only one time only the values are displayed. I want to eliminate a duplicate. Only one time only unique values I want to display. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 like this only they are using, but I am taking 1. That's why in a future just we are using a what, not today. Now here observe here test 1 is there. Here union is an operator is there. So now union all intersect minus those set operators we are learning a what in a future. Now here check it out. Automatically eliminating a duplicate data. Only one is there or not? Yes, here. That is a beauty. So now here observe here union is an operator is there in a future. Set operators are there. Union, intersect, minus, union all we are learning in a future. In that case, what happened? Eliminating a duplicate data. That's why whenever joins means comparing only, always comparing. Why I'm telling suddenly this one means self-join, we are there comparing the values purpose only. Okay. Now, in that comparing values means joins we are using, but self, okay, in a future, union, intersect, minus, those things means not like that. Union means eliminating a what? Duplicate data. Only one time only the values are displayed. Duplicate all the values. Suppose 1000 times duplicate values are there, one time displayed. Same like a group by is there? No? Yes, here. But these are different tables only. Possible or not? Yes, here only one like this. That's why whenever interview attending, whenever anybody attending interview, this type of 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, what are the output joins? And then I want to display only one time value means union we are using in a feature. That's why typical way they're asking interview. That is union means later. Okay, understood? Yes. That's why any values also they're asking only. Now, very biggest join in a where Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, in all MySQL, all database side, one join is there, self join. This is today very easy, but tomorrow next class side, okay, it's total big concept. Managers, employees, hierarchical queries, that is a tree structure, that is a parent table, that child, that one only. Those things are available. Then only self join. Second method we are using. So many things I'm telling. But first in this day, another model we are telling. Two models are there. Okay, write it. Self join. This is only difficult to join in a Oracle. Remaining all the joins are easy again. Okay, self join. Self join. What is a self join means? Nothing is there. Now check it out. Actually, joins means up to now we are using here in a previous case 1 1 is there, 1 1 1 is there, means comparing a what? Yes, two table values or not. Yes, here like this only we are comparing. But unfortunately, sometimes we can also comparing a what? One table itself, one table, one column itself possible. So now that's why joining a table to itself is called self join. Actually, joins means more than one table. More than one table columns we are comparing only. But here, sometimes some requirement based only we can also compare a single column, same values, and also some multiple columns in a same table possible. In that case only we are using a what? Self join. But first initial definition means yes, joining a table to itself is called self join. Oh, maybe sometimes we are joining our single table itself. Where this one, where we are using only, why we are joining a table to itself, those all the things I will tell you. Practically you are understandable. Okay, yes, you are. Yes, some people is asking, Murli sir, can we use more than two tables? Yes, any number of tables, 100 tables also possible. That is later, two tables, sorry, three tables, four tables, five tables, any number of tables also we are using only. Okay, yeah, very good. Now, first initial stage programmer side practice purpose this thing. Write it. Join, self join. Joining a table, joining a table, joining a table to itself, joining a table to itself is called self join. Joining a table to itself is called self join. Here joining conditional columns. Here joining conditional columns must belongs to same data type, same data type, same data type. Actually, 1 minute observation. This is a table is there. Today we are joining a table to itself. Now everyone knows definition, but unfortunately, where we are using a self join in a project side. In a project, so why we are joining a table to itself? That's a question mark. How we are joining means, how we are comparing means, I will tell you. In every YouTube articles are available, but where they are using in a project side, this is very important. Yes, really important. Difficulty also important. Where we are using a project side means two special cases. In a two special cases, we are using a what? Self join. First case very easy today. Next class side very big concept, total class only, that is a use concept only, tree structure based only, some hierarchical database only. We are comparing the values. Now first write it. I will tell you one by one. Generally, Next para. Generally, in all relational databases, generally in all relational databases, self joins are used in following two scenarios, following two scenarios. These are first one observed here. Now concentrate. Now slowly observe here. Actually, joins means nothing, not a multiple table data. Joins means comparing values. Actually, comparing values only. Just we are comparing values. You are observing or not? Comparing values. What is comparing values means you are observing or not. In a previous classes, I am telling one of these days test1 dot s number is greater than test2 dot s number, something I am telling or not. In that class, what I am telling here, where class, here test1 dot son of your s number is greater than test2 dot s number, some query I am writing. In that classes you are observing or not, here two values are there, okay, fine. Here three values are there. Now we are comparing values. This value compared with all other values in another table. This value again, second value we are taking, this value compared with all other values in another table. That is you have an idea. Same thing here also. At two special situation we are comparing a values only in a single table. When the situation means concentrate here, very important, very interesting, only mandatory concept. Suppose here this is a table is there. Just observe here, this is a table. 1 minute only. Just screen observe it. Very, 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 very important only. I'm changing the data, then you are understandable. Cycle Corporation giving like this data. Now here check it out. Suppose this is a table is there, for example. Slowly observe it here. You are only telling a first condition. Select the star from EMP. What is my requirement means screen observe it. Here so many employees salaries are there. So many employees salaries are there. Okay, fine. What is my requirement means I am asking. Scott is a employee is there. That Scott employee getting a what? Some salary only, some salary maybe. Okay, so now 5,000, 3,000 or anything. In this example, say 3,000 only. I want to display the employees who are getting a same salary as Scott's salary. That is my requirement. Same salary as Scott's salary, same like a Scott's salary. Which employee is taking a what? Same salaries, maybe same salary. Another employee taking only that employee also I want to display. That is my requirement. Observe here. Whenever what is my query, for example, yes, this is a Scott is an employee is there. He is getting a what salary? How much? Yes, here 3,000. Same salary getting by another employees only. Those employees I want to display. That is my requirement. In that case, how you are writing? You are telling only answer. Oh yes, here another employee means maybe here 3,000 is there. Yes, this another employee getting a what? Ford also getting the same salary. Easily you are telling, but unfortunately in your mind in that case, yes, taking this value very fastly. Yes, compare this value with the what? Yes, all other values in a same column you are observing or not. 3,000 is equal to 800. 3,000 is equal to 1,600. 3,000 is equal to 1,250. 3,000 is equal to 2,975. 3,000 is equal to 1,250. 3,000 is equal to 2,850. 3,000 is equal to 1,500. 3,000 is equal to 1,250. 1,200. 3,000 is equal to 950. 3,000 is equal to 3,000. 3,000 is equal to 1,300. Yes, it will be comparing a single column number of values. Up to now, two columns we are comparing in a very different table. But in this case, observed here, whenever in all database system in the worldwide, compare one table, one column, any value. Yes, one table, one column, any value we are taking. This value compared with the what? All other values in a where same column, then we go for self join. How we are comparing this one? There is no choice, only self join we are using. Self join we are using only. Very, 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 very important. We are comparing a what? One table column values, one values in a where all other values in a where another, okay, same column. Then we are using a what? Yes, then we are using a what? Self join. Okay, self join. Then we are using a what? Self join only. And now here, check it out. Now here, yes, here. Now check it out. 1 minute only. Suppose this a table is there, for example. So now here, observe it here. Now here, actually, some okay, so now hospital is a table is there. Okay, fine. In this hospital table, Smith is a, Allen is a, Ward is a, Jones is a, okay, some patients are there. Observe it here. Okay, some doctors are there. Don't worry. Okay, doctors are there. In this, okay, so now Smith is a doctor, it belongs to Apollo Hospital, he is a what? A physician. Again, Allen is a what? Okay, I'm giving only. Now here, yes, another doctor, is same working in a same hospital. Yes, here another department, a specialist in a where homeopathy only. Suppose what is a okay, so now doctor is working in a Kim's hospital, he is also a physician. Again, Jones is a what? Another doctor, yes, working in a where Prime Hospital and also physician. What is my requirement? Now here, check it out. Slowly observe it here. I want to display those doctors which are working in a same hospital, Maybe same hospital. Who are the workers? Doctors are working in maybe Smith and Allen. These doctors are working in a where same hospital and also different specialty. Observe it here, different specialty. That's why what is my requirement? I want to write a query to display those doctors which are working in a same hospital with a different specialty from the above table. There is no choice, only compulsory self join we are using. Why means we are comparing a what? One value, we are taking that value with a what? All other values in a way, same table only, in a same column. In that case, we are using a what? Self join only. In that case, self join. That's why what they are okay telling me is generally in all relational databases, self joins are used in following two scenarios. One is what? Take a one value from the one column. This value compared with the what? All other values in a where same column only. In that case, we must use a what? Self join. There is no choice only. Very, 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 very important. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. Employees, managers, some other thing they are giving in a YouTube's only. They are only reading a what? That one. No, that is also another scenario. These two scenarios are very important. Second is very big, but here today is this one is very easy. Write it. These are first one. First one, write it. Compare one table, one column in a value with all other values in same column. Right, this one today we are learning practically very easy. Compare one table, one column in a value with all other values in same column. Up to now, two columns we are comparing in different table. Yeah. And compare one table, one column in a value with all other values in same column. Today we are writing that query. Okay, very easy example. Completed. Again, next, second scenario. What is the second scenario? In that case also self join we are using means screen observe it. Actually, up to yesterday or today, what we are learning, equi-join we are familiar. What is that equi-join? This is a EMP table is there. Here another table, DEPT table is there. In this EMP DEPT tables, common column is there. Here department number. And now here also department number is there. Slowly observe it here. This is different. Now here some values are there. What are the values are there here? 10, 10, 20, 30 is there like this. 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30 like this. Here 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. Something is there. Now, what is this? Okay, equijoin means two different tables, so okay, same column values we are comparing 10, 10, 10, 20, 10, 30, 10, 40, again 20, 10, 20, 20, 20, 30, 20, 40. Like this only we are comparing a what? Yes, here these two different tables, same column values, but unfortunately, these two columns we are comparing also, these columns are available in different table. But this say this column DEPT table column is available in a very same table. For example, here same table, and now here in a same table this column is available. In that case here 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. Now we are comparing a what? Yes, absolute here. Yes, here you are comparing a what? Same table, two column values here 10, 10, 10, 20, 10, 30, 10, 40. Again 20, 10, 20, 20, 20, 30, 20, 40. Again 30, 10, 30, 20, 30, 30, 30, 40. That's why same column, sorry, same table, two column values we are comparing. Then we are using a what? Yes, self join. But unfortunately, two column names are not same in a databases. That's why here they are giving a what? Another column only, any column A or B or anything like this. That's why two different column values we are comparing in a where in a single table. There also we must use a what? Self join. But where this situation is helpful means, yes, where the situation is occurred in a real-time projects means very, very, very important. Tree structure data is there. Tree structure data is there. Okay, so now here how what is tree structure, what is parent node, what is child node, how they are the tree structure data storing in a relational table. I will tell you those are all the things one by one, alias name, how it will be made, yes, created at temporary data set only. Those all the things I will tell you. But that is a big concept. And now that's why always employees and manager names I want to display. Those things they're asking or not. That is second method only. What is that one? Compare two different column values in a same table, but all the different columns are not possible. And now same data type is required, and also all the same data type is not possible. Compulsory tree structure data is required. That's why second is biggest concept. Write it in a database. Compare, write it. Second one, compare two different column values, two different column values within the bracket, same data type in a same table. Compare two different column values within the bracket, same data type, bracket close, in a same table. Okay. Second one is very big. Now today first one we are starting practically. And now very easy first one. Now check it out. Concentrate here. And now here easy example also Oracle provided. Otherwise, so many others are telling that is easy. That is I will tell you today. Now check it out. Before we are going to start self join, some other concept you must familiar. In a from class, joins means up to now two tables we are using, table name 1, table name 2. But unfortunately, self join means single table is there. In a from class, single table means how we are joining, impossible. That's why this single table we are splitting into number of tables means some table alias names we are using only EMP, E1, A or B or MP. Again, same table E2 like this. That's why, yes, minimum two tables are required in a joining means that's why one table can be split into where number of tables by using a what? Yes, alias name, table alias name in a where from class. But in this one, how it will be memory management means in next second method side, big concept we are telling how can I, what is happening, why they are giving like that. But first time newcomer side, in this class side, what we are learning, whenever we are using a self join, then we must create table alias names in a from class. These alias names must be different names. These alias names internally behaves like exact tables when query execution time I am telling only first today side. Write it. whenever we are using, whenever, write it, whenever we are using self join, then we must create table alias names, table alias names in from class, in from class. These alias names means another names. These alias names must be different names. Different name. These alias names, write it. These alias names internally behaves like a exact tables internally. Exact tables when query execution time. How means tomorrow we are learning another queries. When query execution time, exact tables when query execution time. Syntax, write it. Syntax from table name space alias name 1 comma alias name 2 not working. Again table name we are using. Compulsory each and every time table name you have to specify. This is a different syntax. Alias name 2. Same table name space alias name 1 another name alias comma table name space alias name 2. Okay, today we are learning what at least the first one very easy, that's why Java, .NET, data science, Python, these type of programmer, first one they are telling. Why? Because first one easy, maybe everyone also understandable. Write it. First one you have to write it. Compare side heading. Compare one table, one column, any value with all other values in same column. Easy. That is logically you are writing only. Okay. Query how can I save it? Compare one table, one column in a value with all other values in same column. Best example means actually in a books we are referring, in a Google we are referring, in self-join, so many YouTube articles are there. They're telling about one query, same query. Because first time newcomer understandable purpose maybe. I want to display the employees who are working in the same city or working in a some other employee working in that city. Suppose you are working in a very Mumbai, same city only, now here yes, Mumbai only, some other employees are working. Yes, in that data I want to show. In that case, same column value we are comparing. Suppose some fellows are telling about Oracle Corporation query only display the employees who are getting the same salary as Scott salary. Scott is an employee and Ford is an employee analyst only. These employee salary, same thing they are giving a Oracle Corporation. Suppose Scott employee having a what 3,000 is the salary. Maybe same salary they are giving a what in another employee analyst is a Ford only. That basis they are designing display the employees who are getting the same salary as a Scott salary from empty table by using self-join. Yes, any query also. But how it is working, what is the logic means diagrammatically, I will tell you. Okay, yes, first write it. This query through we are starting. I am drawing the line. Write a query, first one. Write a query to display the employees. who are getting same salary, same. Okay, more salary means greater than we are using, don't worry. But same salary is in as purpose. Same salary. Who are getting same salary as Scott salary. Scott is employee. Scott salary from EMP table by using self join. By using self join. Write a query to display the employees who are getting same salary as Scott salary from EMP table by using self join. This query very easy only. This is not my query only. Oracle Corporation only designing this query. First time newcomer understandable purpose in their own table, EMP table. How much easy means observe it here first, but first diagrammatical I am telling you. Now check it out. Don't write it only. First 1 minute only. Why? Because this is a logical query. Total logical. Now here, observe it here. And now here finished this query all are writing or not. Then I am telling some values through I am telling. Maybe which values are there. Smith 800, Allen 1600, $50, something only 3000. Okay. And now here check it out. Okay, I am drawing the diagram, all the things, then everyone understandable. Only 5 minutes concentrate, everyone understandable. Suppose, and now slowly observe it here. In a self join means observe it here from table name EMP, alias name we must create it E1, EMP, E2, compulsory mandatory this one. Whenever we are creating like this, automatically 2 instances it will be created, 2 aliases created internally in a table. Suppose here this is a query execution time only E1, I'm imagination like this. Here E2, slowly observe it here. How it is working means observe it here. Logic observe it first. Here E2 is there. Now same data, okay, anywhere also, just your imagination like this here, E-name, salary, for example. Okay, our understandable purpose, E-name, salary we are taking, but otherwise all the columns are available. E-name and salary. Slowly observe here, 1 or 2 values I am taking, easiness purpose. Here, Smith is an employee there, for example, Smith is an employee, 800 salary is there. Allen is an employee, and now here 1600 is a salary there. For example, here Scott is an employee there. For example, here Scott is an employee there. Okay, easiness purpose. Here Scott is an employee, and now here 3000 some salaries. Again another employee, King is an employee. Okay, fine. Here 5000 for example. Again Ford is an employee. So many employees are there, just easiness purpose I am taking. Okay, and now here, yes, here Ford is an employee is there, just idea purpose, execution idea purpose, 3000 because execution only important. Here also same data is there. Okay, so much of data is there like this. Here also roughly the same data is there. Smith is an employee, here 1800 or 800. Allen is an employee, here 1600 like this. Again, Scott is an employee, and now here observe here, Scott is an employee, 3000. Observe execution, observe very important, and a slight different logic is there. Again, here King is an employee, here King is an employee, here 5000 like this. How the query is executed means concentrate here. Roughly this type of data I'm taking. Ford is an employee, in a way 3000. Slowly observe here, 1 minute only. What is the logic behind that one means from class table, same table, different instance, different table alias names we are using, then automatically these 2 table aliases created internally in a database like this. For example, okay, temporary buffer this. Now we are writing a logical coding. How we are writing means where, observe it here, logic, observe it here, where, slowly observe it here only logic, very interesting logic only, where. What they're asking, I want to display the employees who are getting a same salary as a Scott salary from EMP table by using self join. That's why first we are taking a what? One table, one value, that value compared with all other values in another table or not? Yes. Already previous classes I'm telling joins means in a test1 dot s number is greater than test2 dot s number, keep it in your mind only, then through that one anything also understandable. In that case, we are taking a one value, that value compared with 10 is compared with 10, 20, 30 in another table. Again, second value taking and that value compared with all other values in another table. Same like here also, first Scott salary we are getting. Scott salary, how much is there? We don't know. That the Scott salary we are taking only. That's why here, now here one table, one column value we are taking E1 dot. Now, where EMP1, E2 is there, no? Where E1 dot E name, okay, fine, E name is equal to Scott. Very good. We are taking a what? This Scott value in a Scott salary we are taking. Now this value compared with the what? All other values in another table. This is Scott salary we are taking. This value compared with the what? All other values in where is E2 table salaries. E1 dot E name Scott. And what is the logic? This employee salary we are taking only. That's what is the logic? E1 dot E name is equal to Scott and is operator. You have an idea. There is a logic your own wish. Actually, we are taking this one only. And now here, yes, logic is same data. No, that's why is equal to yes. Different data is greater than less than. Yes, this employee salary we are taking E1 dot salary is equal to here E2 dot salary only. This is a logic. And now check it out. Whenever we are executing this one, what happened? E1 dot E name is equal to Scott. Oh, maybe E1 dot E name is equal to Scott. Scott is existing. Okay, existing in this table. If it is existing means then we are taking that Scott salary. Then that Scott salary, how much? E1 dot salary is a 3,000. 3,000 is equal to E2 dot salary. Comparing what? E2 dot salary, first salary, which one? 800. Yes, here, okay, 3,000 is equal to 800 matching? No, not matching only, not equal. That's why this condition is a what? E1 dot salary is a what? 3,000 is equal to 800 is a what? 1, okay, 3,000 is equal to 800. And first query means E1 dot E name is equal to Scott. Yes, E1 dot E name is equal to Scott. Scott exists. E1 dot E name is equal to Scott exists. Okay, exists. And yes, E2 dot E1 dot salary is equal to E2 dot salary means 3,000 is equal to 800 false. One condition is true, one condition is false means total is and operator means false. That's why this record is does not retrieve. Okay, Smith does not retrieve. Again, next, E1 dot E name is equal to Scott. E1 dot E name is equal to Scott. Scott is exist and E1 dot salary 3,000 is compared with the what? Compared with the what? Next value, yes, here 1,600. 3,000 is equal to 1,600 matching? No, not matching. That's why always this is a what? False. One condition is false, one condition is true means the total is the result is what? False only in AND operator. Again, E1 dot E name is equal to Scott. Scott exists and E1 dot salary 3,000 is equal to yes here. Yes, E2 dot salary 3,000. Very good. This is working. This is true. No? Yes, here true. That's why here this condition is true. E1 dot salary is equal to E2 dot salary means 3,000 is equal to 3,000. This is true. And also E1 dot E name is equal to Scott means true. If both the conditions are true, then the result it will be displayed. Which result means I will tell you. Again, next, that true also another records also taking E1 dot E name is equal to Scott and yes, E1 dot salary 3,000 is equal to where? 5,000, not matching. 3,000 is equal to 5,000, not matching only. And now here, that's why this record also rejected. Again, E1 dot E name is equal to Scott is true. Then 3,000 E1 dot salary 3,000 is equal to E2 dot salary 4 to 3,000. That's why true this one. And now here, check it out. Here, this is a what? True only. This is a true only. And now here, that's why this is a condition E1 dot E name is equal to Scott and 3,000 is equal to 3,000 true. That's why both the conditions are true. That's why the data is retrieved. But which data it will retrieve? select. Now here select. Whenever we are comparing one column any value with all other values in a same column, in that case, don't display the data from first alias table. Only we have to display the data from second alias table. That is the rule is there. That's why when we are comparing what all other values in the same table by using a self join, then we must display data from second alias table. Second alias table means what? Yes, E2 dot star, E2 dot star. Otherwise, now here, yes, here E2 dot E name, comma, E2 dot salary only, not a first alias table. First alias table means same Scott two times are displayed because two times are true, no, that one. That's why E2 dot E name, comma, E2 dot salary like this only. Whenever we are writing select E2 dot E name, comma, E2 dot salary, from EMP E1 come EMP E2, where E1 dot E name is equal to Scott and E1 dot E salary is equal to E2 dot salary, then automatically this output is displayed. What is that output? Here E name, that is practical I'm showing only. First observe here E name, another one is what? Salary. In these two column side, here observe it here. Now here check it out. Here one is what? Scott is an employee, 3000, 3000. Again, Ford is an employee, 3000. This two diagrams, draw this one and also this predefined query, write it. Then we are starting practically. Just logically, for that's why diagrammatically better first. In a books we are referring also same thing is there. If it is exist, E1 dot E name is equal to Scott means Scott is exist, then that salary is Scott salary. We are taking that value compared with all other values salaries in another column. Then whenever matching, then only both the conditions are true. Then that data is retrieved from second alias table, not a first alias table. First alias table means two times Scott is displayed because two times is true, that one. Table also write it. This value, that value compared with all other values, then arrow mark operator write it, then easily understandable later. Then second is a big concept. Left hand side, that query also write it. Then practical I'm showing. Some values we are taking only easiness purpose. Oh, it will be comparing like this. Take a one value from the one condition, that value compared with all other values. But unfortunately, single table this one. These are number of instances. Here AND operator only we are writing, not a OR operator. Finished up. Right hand side that tables, on left hand side this query also. Otherwise, E2 dot star also. This table finished up. Just comparing like this one, E to this one. One table, one condition we are taking only that value compared with all other values. Same like a previous case, comparing data, I'm telling you. It's easy, not a difficult. Completed up fast, otherwise take a snap. And now here, check it out, practically observe it here. Now here, that's why this is first method very easy, but second method very huge concept. These are employees, managers, we are retrieving only, that is hierarchical data. I'm telling only how can I store the pre-structured data. Tomorrow we are telling. There's a big concept, total class only. Now check it out. How we are writing the what this self-join means. Just observe it here in a from class, two tables we are writing. From table name EMP E1, comma EMP E2 only. Yes, here we are using the what where now we are predefined logical condition based on the requirement. E1 dot E name is equal to Scott. They are asking a Scott employee. Can in another condition is another condition. But AND operator through we are achieving. If this is exist and this employee Scott is exist, then Scott salary we are taking E1 dot salary. That salary is more than the other employee salary means greater than. Less than means less than. This is your own logic. But same, they're asking only easiness purpose. E2 dot salary line. But here, if we want to display that data means select E2 dot E name, okay, fine, comma, E1, E2 dot salary, not a E1. Why? Because observe here, this is correctly, it will display you want Scott and Ford here 3000, 3000. Suppose you are a good professional means, then we have to check it out. We are changing the data, then we are understandable. Otherwise, you have to check it out query also. Suppose in this case, why Murlis are telling me to here I am using a what a condition which table we are taking. That table data means same column it will display 2 times only. No use here Scott. Why? Because a Scott employee data we are taking, that data we are comparing means 2 times are true only. That's why 2 times this E1 table we are displaying means impossible. That's why which condition we are taking the values, that the values don't display in these type of joins only. Okay, that is important. That's why here we are using a what E2 second alias name table, not a first alias name table, comparing values from the table we are taking. Otherwise, some fellows are writing a what all the values means E2 dot ename E2 dot salary place E2 dot star also they are writing. Star means all the columns are not. Yes, this is another way also possible. Yes, observe here Scott and Ford is there. These all the details also possible or not, or this one also right, or maybe star also some fellows are writing, or already first query you are writing, or this one also right. Okay, E2 dot star means all the details. Okay, now today up to this one is enough because very difficult in a self join only. Second method is a what a huge concept only. These are all the things hierarchical, pre-structure. Okay, why alias names we are using is what happened in which situation we are using employees and managers only. Why they are giving that all the things I will tell you total class only. That is tomorrow I will tell you better. Up to this one slowly. Next onwards very easy. Like all the things fastly we are telling. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Tomorrow I continue. Thank you. Tomorrow I continue. Slowly practice it because difficult this one. Only self-join only difficult. First subject learning course completed means videos also there no use. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you.